Can somebody please explain to me like an ape what exactly is the new AMC preferred equity units, the new dividend that AMC is giving every single stockholder? Probably means you. If you guys are watching this video, it is because you chose correctly. We're going to bring you guys from Adam Aron's mouth, the AMC CEO, what he tweeted during the earnings call that we just live streamed a few minutes ago. And I want you guys to know that we're going to explain it piece by piece and how it could affect AMC squeeze. But also, at the end of the video, you'll find that I'll be giving out my six-figure portfolio as well as a chance for a one-on-one. So please do make sure that you've already hit that like button, commented out which one you guys are, and let's just have fun with it. There is a surprise at the end of the video. I think you guys will like it. So first things first, Adam Aron, during the little intermission where he didn't have to speak during the earnings call, he tweeted out 6 parts, well, 6 more parts, because he tweeted out the very first part during the beginning of the call, exactly what he is going to describe as a AMC preferred equity unit. 500 million new AMC preferred equity units will trade on the New York Stock Exchange with the symbol APE. So yes, you heard it correctly. This is a different than a straight stock split of common shares, but nonetheless quite similar. So let's stop right there. What exactly is a stock split? And how exactly does it differ from what Adam Aron is doing? It's essentially creating a brand new symbol, a brand new a security that is now going to trade. I'm going to have my little in a different ball of a different free float, an equal size, different value, of course. Now, one of these is going to be called AMC. The other one is going to be called APE. This APE is going to only consist of people who already own AMC shares. So again, let's go up to the top tweet. You will get 1 APE tax-free as a stock dividend for each 1 AMC common share that you own. At least for now, this big news today is not dilution, as AMC's preferred equity unit dividends all go, and only go to existing owners of company-issued common shares. Hashtag today we pounce. This is his definition of pouncing, but essentially he has now created new value by giving all of us a new type of security that is not AMC. Now, if he wanted to just issue new shares, that would have diluted the total pot, making all of our shares, all of our individual slices, worth less by comparison. Because originally it was worth, whatever percent of the total amount of free float. But if he issued new shares, if he actually diluted the amount of shares that exist, then you would see your share worth less, and the market adjusting for that reason. Why AMC is falling is exactly what the perceived interpretation of these two differences is. Actually injecting more shares into the total pool, or creating an equal but completely different pool of shares that now signify something else. Remember, all of these securities can only signify AMC's value. These unhinged stocks from fundamentals, as we have already understood. So if it still doesn't make sense, we actually have a little bit of another math equation from Adam Aron over here. He says, so for each of your AMC shares after the dividend, you instead own 1 AMC common share and 1 APE. So there it is. And he goes tweeting just now, a minute ago, that you're gonna get your own free AMC Investor Connect I Own APE NFT. So this is not part of his 7-part out of 12 parts tweet thread, but if you guys want to be able to take a look yourself, make sure that you guys have also followed Andrew Mo Money on Twitter when you guys are over there. So now we come to the part of the show where I say, oh, this is actually a good opportunity for me to announce a special birthday. Professor Meatball, a bunch of you already know, he's turning 9 in about 4 days. So I want to be able to show you guys a little trip down memory lane. It's a trip that I took during the worst part of my year, and it made me feel a little bit better. So hope you guys enjoy it. It's edited by someone special to me, and to the end, I'm gonna give you one opportunity. Guys, tell me at the end of the little video what you guys see. Comment it down below, and I'll pick one of you down below to get access to 6-figure. Thanks. See you guys.
pot of tea, hot chocolate, cappuccino, flat white, charcoal black sesame latte.
Let's talk about shopping. In Paris, there is something called Freepstar. €1.
Vivian Westwood. There's like a 20-minute line outside, and then we sit outside in like a little waiting area. What's going on? What the? What?
He's smoking.
Monsieur Chat. Monsieur Chat. Monsieur Chat. It's Monsieur Chat.
Alright, we're in the Maison de la Gyros. DJ party, beer pong. It's a hot night. We're not done quite yet. We're gonna go all the way to the Jazz Caveau. Something else doesn't catch our eye in the meantime. Look at all these euros.
Play the game of can this car fit in this path? Let's do it.
Look at this pirate themed restaurant. Latin Quarter is bustling. There's so many people making food, eating food, pass out in the subway. That's how you live your 20s.
Bonne au sax ténor.
All right, that was the Jazz Caveau. It was a lot of fun. Never got to dance in the center before. We got right up to the stage. Still currently in the...
It's some British, some European guy. He's just laughing alone. And it's like holding nothing. I don't know what he's staring at. He's just like, wow, he's so
That's what I'm talking about. It's 1:45 a.m. and there's a toilet in the... oh no! And yet there was a toilet. You guys all saw it on film. There was a toilet.
All right, good news is we found Supersonic. Bad news is how many people are waiting in line. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Aww. Aww. This could have been used to fix someone's butt. Another wing.